Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some quick tips to help speed up your editing workflow in your timeline. Whenever you're editing before you export your video, you usually need to watch it out just to make sure you didn't leave any mistake in your edit. But what if you have a long video? Well, this is not too long, but it's above 10 minutes. You do not want to watch the entire clip at regular speed. And so you need to adjust the playback speed. And you can do this by using the J button, the K button, and the L button. So for example, if you need to speed up the playback, all you need to do is to hit L on your keyboard, and you can tell the difference over here that is not going at regular speed, and that is going to automatically increase the speed by 2x. And if you need to increase it by 4x, all you need to do is to hit L once more on your keyboard, and the more you press L, the more it continues to increase the speed at 2x. But if you need to slow down the speed, all you need to do is to hit J, and it's going to be slower than regular. And if you need it to be slower than that, all you need to do is to hit J once more. And if you hit J multiple times on your keyboard, you will notice that it's going to be 2 times slower than the previous speed. But if you need it to stop, all you need to do is to hit K, and if you hit play now or the space button, it's going to begin to play at regular speed. But if you hold down Shift and L, you can adjust the speed slightly instead of making it multiply by 2 and 4 and 8 and 16. Or if you hold down Shift and J, it's going to slow down a little bit, and you can adjust the slow down speed instead of having it reduced by 2, by 4, by 6 and 8. And that's it guys on how to adjust your timeline playback speed while editing in Premiere Pro.